Assalamu dear students, welcome to Civil Engineering channel. My name is Kashabir. Today we are starting the lecture of Autodesk Civil 3D. So in this lecture we will discuss another method of making profile. So in this method we will discuss create profile from superimposed method. This is the best method in accuracy point of view from all of them. Okay, so our subtopic is draw road alignment and offset, then draw profile view of center line and offset, then apply superimpose method on profile views, then draw design level on profile view and adjustment of profile data, and last is finalize profile view. And here I also discuss another profile, create a quick profile from polyline, because this profile basically shall I discuss in a lecture number 29 to 32 in grading lecture, because quick profile method will be used in grading profile. Okay, so here we'll discuss just superimposed profile. So you can also see here one view of this profile. See here, this profile basically considered the best profile in accuracy point of view. Why? Because normally when we make any profile, we only keep a center line of NGL in mind, then after that we make its design level. This profile give us option that we also have center line and right side and left side offset. Then we have much detail. We take average area of 3 lines. Then after that we make this design profile. And I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. In accuracy point of view, this is the best profile consider, okay, in a vertical profile. Okay, so let's start. So you can see our drawing here. We just create one surface with the help of point. If you want to know how can we create this one, you can also check the link description of this lecture. Okay, so here we first of all create one alignment, horizontal alignment. So for that we click here. After that you can see here we make here grand trunk road. Okay, this is one type of road. Okay, after that we select here center line. Okay, if you want to write any description you can also write here. Proposed, okay, all label, okay. So here, okay. After that we click here and create tangent with curve. Okay, so we create one alignment here like this one and this one. Okay, see this one. After that we also make here one curve, see this one. If you want to increase its length, you can also, okay, you can see here. So first of all I want to change its style of text, so alignment, and after that 50 and perpendicular vertic. Okay, these are, I want to delete this one because I use this one later on and discuss step by step everything. So here you can see the style of our label. You can also increase scale from here, so this looking better. Style, and here we select here Arial, then okay, close. Okay, so you can see our alignment is ready. So now first of all we also create its offset. Okay, so for creating offset we just click on alignment. After that you can see here offset alignment. Okay, so we want to make offset like 10 meter or 15 meter, left side 15 meter, right side. Okay, one offset. Okay, after the offset no need label. Okay, so our offset is ready, you can see here. So first of all I want to make its profile, so we need to go on profile and create surface profile. Okay, here we use surface method normal. First of all you can see here there are 3 profile alignment, one for center line, one for left side and right side. Okay, so I also want to give a little bit different name to center line, so we select here and MO enter. Okay, and you can see here we give it different name, and we write here grand trunk road center line. C dot L. Okay, okay, enter. So this is our center line. So when we make a profile, so we can easily check that profile, create surface profile. So you can see here, this is center line, this is right side, and this is left side. Okay, first of all we need to make center line, and after that you can see the center line of our profile looking like that, this color. Okay, so add, after that draw in profile view. Okay, you click here, next, next, and you can see here create profile view. So first of all, this profile we create here. This is our profile view, so you can see here. So first of all, I also set grid line. So just click here. Okay, after that see this one. This is the basic setting. So when you start any profile, so you must do this type of setting. So -1, after that right side, and 1. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our profile looking better. So next will be our next profile, like this is center line profile. Okay, only center line NGR. Now we draw a profile for right side center line profile separately and left side center line separately, but need different color. Okay, keep in mind we make this profile color green color, and this may be magenta color. Okay, so we select this one now. So profile, surface, create surface profile. Okay, now we select right side. Okay, see this one. After that add, when we just add, after that we need to go style. So this is the first step. Right click here and see this one, we want to change its color in profile view. Okay, so for that we go here and make new, don't edit in this profile. Okay, we need to make copy of this one, copy current selection. After that change the line color. You can also write here edit surface profile, existing surface profile, and you also need to copy this one. And you can see here we need to change color in green color. Okay, you can see here. Now apply, then okay. After that okay, then draw in profile view. So next, okay, next, and create profile view. So you can see this view, this is a different color. Okay, because we want to make all these profile in different colors. There is some basic logic when we create all this one, so I tell you later on. So we also need to make this side left side. Okay, the same method we also need to go and create surface profile, and now we select left side. Okay, first we create right side, now left side, then add, same method we apply here. We need to go here and make its copy, don't edit in this profile. If we edit, so all profile color will be same. Okay, first we need to take copy. After that right click here and paste this one. This is left side. Okay, and left side 15. After that we need to give its color, this color magenta. Okay, okay, apply, then okay. Okay, after that draw in profile view. Next, and this is up. So create profile view. So now we select here. So you can see this profile is different from this one and from this one. So now our second step will be, we take all these profile, we need to take all these on this profile. Okay, with the help of superimposed method. Okay, so here you can see profile, and see this one, create profile from file and create superimposed profile. Okay, we select here. After that you can see here, select source profile. This is source profile, this is also source profile. Okay, so first we need to select this is source profile. Okay, now we say select destination profile view. So this is our destination profile and this is view. Okay, we select here. You can see here one new window open, superimposed profile option, select start, select it. We want to take all profile from 0 to end. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see this profile came here. Okay, the same method we apply here. So we need to go again here and create superimposed profile. Okay, after that read this one, select source profile. This is our source profile, select here. After that select destination profile view. This is our view of destination profile. The same method we apply here, apply, then okay. So you can see here there is three line of NGL. This is center line, this is left side, this is right side. So the main purpose of these line is to that we can make our design line better and with better accuracy. Okay, because we have more data upside, so that we can easily design better profile and keep our cutting and filling in a better way. Okay, so now we make a design profile. So for that we need to go again profile creation tools. Okay, and you can see here select profile view. This is our view, and here we draw new profile like PGL p.gtl, and here we select here design level. Okay, complete label. Okay, after that we select here draw tangent with curve. Okay, after that we take from here. After that we select this portion. After that we select this one. After that this center portion, average area of three lines. Okay, see this one, we also take the average area of this line. Okay, see this one. You can see here I just want to decrease its size so that our profile looking better. I also want to give a little bit height of the view, so we select this one, profile view property, and see here 142 and 150, we give 141 and 152. Okay, 140, 141 and 152. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our profile is looking better. So see this one, we also need to select profile view a little bit close. So from here we select its area like that. We also can change from its view here, and now you want to decrease the size of the curve, so we click here and click here. So the first curve will be 100, next will be 20, and this one also will be 80, and this one will be 60. Okay, this one will be 30. So you can see the view of our drawings. So you can see here. So now when we make one line, only center line, then we cannot make better design in cutting point of view, cutting and filling point of view. But when we have three lines, left side, right side and center line, then we make best way and best its design. Okay, so you can see here. So now we want to change its label in different colors, and also give profile, change the names. See here, this is NGL center line, this is PGL. Okay, after that see here, this one I just want to change its color. Center line, this one white color. Okay, after that existing round mean NGL need red color, and this one need blue color. Apply, then okay. Apply, then okay. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our profile is ready. Sometimes basically this type of profile is demanded from client or sometime consultant. Okay, so that's why we need to make this type of profile. So you can see here we have two level only. This level for PGL, this level for center line NGL. We don't have a right side and left side level because client demand us that we also need this level. So for that we need to make new bands. Okay, so here I just want to upload bands for this profile. I already have made this one. So in the next lecture we'll properly start band lecture. So for that we just delete this band because we need other data also, like left side and right side profile. So for that you can see here I just want to upload data from manage and import. The drawing has unsaved modification. Okay, first of all I want to save this one. Control S. Our drawing is saved. So now I just want to import this data from desktop. I already have one file on desktop for bands. So these bands actually we already created in our other lectures. So here we just import this one, and in the next lecture we discuss how can we make new bands for profile in different method. Okay, so there are different type of bands. One normal profile, some full profile. Sometimes we need cut and fill bands. Sometimes we need superimposed band. Okay, so here we just want to upload this one. So you can see here all bands. So okay, you are about to import style from other drawings. Okay, yes, I also want to import from other drawings. So this drawing bands basically we import from the other drawings. Okay, you can see here our profile is taking other bands. See this one. Basically when we make this type of band they maybe take 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, but when we have bands on other profile we just take in 1 or 2 minutes. You can see here all style of profile is changed. You can see here the color of vertical profile, crust color different, shake color different, and these type of bands inshallah we create from the left texture. You can see here. Now we just want to import our bands. So profile view property and see this one. Now from here we import this band. You can also see here there is some new bands came here. NGL left side, add left side on left. Okay, after that right side NGL, add on right band, this right one. Okay, after that NGL vessel. Okay, on center line, this one. Okay, next will be our PGL, and you can see on PGL I set this one. Next will be our station. Okay, station, add this one. This also need to anyone. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our band is ready. If you want to increase its size you can also see here. So band is looking better. So I just want to give some adjusting of this one. So you can see here we need here 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see PGL color different from this one. NGL, this is right side NGL, left side NGL. See this one, all type of NGL have separate value. So basically this type of label sometimes we need to make on the request of client, and sometime consultant demand from us. Okay, so this is the method to make a profile with the help of superimpose method. Okay, So I hope you understand the method of making this profile. So this is the final view of profile. So from the next lecture we will discuss about band setting. Okay, you can see our view. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. If you have any question related to this topic, so please comment me in comments box and shall try my best to give you some suitable answer. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.